Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel, and today I want to bring you a new project that I am making, and this is going to be a bakery. Over here, look at those beautiful tiles. Look at that. I got each one of those at the dollar store. They are adhesive and they come in different colors, different patterns. They're called adhesive, self-adhesive wall tile. People use them in real bathrooms, real kitchens as backsplashes and everything. But I bought them to give my bakery a nice commercial background. So I also on here on the side, see that picture of a lighthouse? Look how real it looks. I got that from the 2022 Lighthouses 12-month calendar. So this brings a whole bunch of different pictures here. So I felt that this one was nice to put there. So I'm going to be making here an area for people to eat right there. So they're eating by the window and you can see the outside. So that's the idea. For the flooring, I used adhesive contact paper from the dollar store. And you get a generous amount because I still have some left over. And I covered a good piece here. Then I have this box here. It's actually the top of a chocolate box, and it's called Godiva. So this is going to be good either as a counter or just to display it, to show that this is a bakery that specializes in Godiva chocolates. So I'm not sure yet how I'm going to use it. Here I have some Legos. I put them together to make, one of those machines where you get the soda, fountain sodas and all that. Then I have here a case for pills. Now, you know how you put your pills there Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, the weekdays. So I think this is going to be like an oven. You know how these open? Right here. They all open. Open like that. So maybe I'll put a cake there or cookies like they're baking in the oven in each of these slots. And I'll cover the wording. See the week date and everything? I'll cover the wording and maybe I'll put a certain flavor. Like this could be apple, pumpkin, banana, whatever the pastry is that's baking in there. So it'll be like an oven. So I'm going to put this probably here in the back. I'll be placing a counter right there with all the pastries. And then on the side here, I got this piece from the dollar store also. It's an aluminum piece that caught my attention. So it just fits right in there into the commercial space. So this will be my new bakery. Then I have a light there. That one I bought at Walmart. It was like $6. I don't know if it was 2 for $6 or I don't remember. I think it was just one. And then I have this nice disco ball right there hanging. So yes, this used to be a bakery, but I took it apart and I'm redoing it with new flooring and new tiles for the walls and a nice view that you can see right from where you're eating. There are going to be people here enjoying their pastries and it's going to be beautiful. So I'll be back. Thanks for watching.